So if you're into DeFi, if you're into crypto, you notice about the different blockchains that have been popping up, whether it be Ethereum, whether it be Avalanche, whether it be Phantom, whether it be Terra Luna, whether it be Binance Smart Chain. It can kind of get a little bit hectic if you're trying to do things and buy cryptos and move cryptos around on different blockchains. So let me share with y'all a couple of different crypto dashboards that can help you manage your crypto portfolio, as well as tracking different wallets of different crypto wallets. Honestly, y'all, as an investor, crypto dashboards make your life so much more easier. So the first crypto dashboard that we're going to be talking about today is, if you follow me a lot on this page, you watch a lot of my videos, you heard of it, it's Apeboard.Finance. Now, I really like this dashboard because it has a lot to offer. First off, the first thing it has to offer, of course, is the dashboard. So you would, either connect your wallet, or you could come here and you would enter the wallet in that either your wallet or a wallet you wish to track, and then you'll be able to track that wallet and see everything that wallet is invested in. So we're going to use a wallet for an example here. We're going to use Justin Sun's, the inventor of BitTorrent and the inventor of Tron. We're going to use his wallet. He's actually a crypto millionaire, if not billionaire. And we're going to track his wallet. So let's do that right now. So I now have Justin Sun's wallet copied in my dashboard. So my clipboard. So now we're gonna enter it to the dashboard here and click paste. Like I said, he's a crypto millionaire. Justin Sun created the blockchain Tron. If you've been in crypto since 2016 or 2017, you know what Tron is. So now we're just gonna allow this page to load. We entered in the crypto address. So now we can see everything that Justin Sun has been buying. Mostly here are just probably coins that were sent to Justin. As you can see, the value of a lot of these coins is actually not a lot. It's just different coins, just different things. A lot of different coins in his wallet. But this is probably one of his wallets. Actually, most of his wallet is in Curve CRV, probably just recurring interest, and he's probably just getting paid out in stables. He's probably staking that Curve on Apeboard.Finance and getting paid those stable coins. You can see his portfolio. Let's see if it allows you to see the history. So you can also see the history of his transactions that he's been making. Like I said, a lot of these just different miscellaneous cryptocurrencies are probably cryptos that have been sent to him. But I think it's cool how the blockchain allows you to see all the different transactions that this wallet has been making. And it's a very nice UI and Ape dashboard. There's a website called Etherscan, and it also allows for this. But one thing about Etherscan is that it's not a nice UI like this is here. It's a very hard to deal with UI. And what I mean by UI is user experience. As you see here, it's so nice, and everything here just fits. This web page, everything fits, and it's very easy to deal with, very easy to click on if you want to check something out. But they also have different things like our NFT gallery. And what NFT gallery does, it shows you the NFTs in that wallet that you entered. Now, it says if you don't have any NFTs here yet, and it actually shows that the NFT gallery for Ethereum is down right now. They're probably editing it, so that's fine. This wallet has no NFTs in it because if it did on Ethereum, it's down right now. And then another nice features that I like is obviously the Ape bridge. When you want to bridge stable coins, when you want to bridge cryptocurrency over from one blockchain to another, this is a great tool here. Now, I've done many videos. I've actually showed this Ape bridge feature, bridging stable coins over from one blockchain to the other. I like multi-chain. I like Synapse. It's a very nice platform to use to be able to bridge stable coins. You just enter in the blockchain that you want to bridge from. So you enter in that blockchain and you put the blockchain that you wish to bridge over it, and it shows you the best cross-chain protocols to bridge your tokens over. So that's basically the best features of Apeboard.Finance, probably my favorite crypto dashboard. The next dashboard that I have for y'all today is probably my second favorite crypto dashboard. It's called Zapper.Finance. Now this dashboard is similar to Apeboard.Finance in the fact that it shows you your whole portfolio and everything you have inside your portfolio, okay? Now, this is an example portfolio of this is not one of my main wallets. I have a lot of wallets, but I use this wallet. I use one wallet or a couple of wallets for these kind of tutorials. So please don't try to hack them because there's basically nothing in here. But as you can see, it shows all the different things inside this wallet, and it will show the prices, the dollar amount of the different cryptos I have. Now I have that hidden, obviously for security reasons, but yeah, this is a nice dashboard. If you wanted this, you can check your portfolio. Now they also have a history features. An NFT feature and a history feature. So you would just click NFT if you wish to see the NFTs inside your own wallet. So I actually don't have any NFTs in this wallet, so that's why this NFT page here is not uploading. But then of course, the other history feature or history tab, which be just like the Apeboard.Finance, it will show you all the history, that has been happening on this wallet. So next, we have the swap feature. Zapper actually also has a swap function. It's basically just like MetaMask or any type of other DEX. So it's basically just like a DEX here. You could change the different blockchain that you would want to use. So you could select Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, Polygon, Optimism, Ethereum. Those are all of the blockchains that Zapper currently offers. So it's basically like you're all in one. Then Zapper also has a bridge here if you want to. This is basically a cross-chain protocol, cross-chain bridging, just like how Apeboard.Finance is a cross-chain protocol aggregator. This Zapper here basically has a bridge function in Zapper in the website. Another thing would be an address book. Now this is very helpful if you want to send crypto to a wallet that you normally always send. You can just enter that address book here so you don't forget the wallet. So you can easily reference the wallet when you want to do things in DeFi. I found this function to be very useful. And then of course investing. So you have save, you have pool. This is basically DeFi. This is doing things in DeFi. This is staking. This is farming, yield farming. This is stable coins. This is everything that you can do in DeFi. They try to kind of aggregate here and have it here. The next crypto dashboard is called Zerion. Now I personally have been using Zerion a lot, and I like this platform because it offers a lot of things. You can connect your wallet. It's very similar to Zapper. You can connect your wallet, or you can check another person's wallet and see what's inside their wallet. But you can also see things like staking, which I think is very cool here. So we are going to connect Justin's son's wallet again. We're going to use that as an example for the Zerion crypto dashboard. So as you see here, you also have the opportunity to connect your different types of wallets. Now, what I think is very cool about Zerion is you don't have to only connect your MetaMask wallet. You can connect your Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet, Phantom wallet, Formatic wallet, Encrypted Link, or Wallet Connect. Now, there's not really any other platform right now like Zapper or Apeboard.Finance that's letting you connect your Solana Phantom wallet or your Coinbase wallet or your Trust wallet. Nobody's really doing that, so that's pretty neat. That's pretty cool. But let's enter Justin Sun's wallet and see what it allows us to see here. So just like Apeboard.Finance, you have the overview, and it quickly here shows basically what he has sent. It shows the history. I think it's more kind of, everything's placed better more, so you can kind of see everything right at once. You could see kind of the chart of his portfolio, how it's been doing, It obviously dipped this month. You see that, but that's one day though. So it dipped today. But you can see how it has dipped, over the month and then over the year. That's a pretty neat thing. The chart that it has there. You can see its all-time high. What it was $12 million. He's probably changed the money around, in this wallet, in this address here. But you have all the different assets. Like I said in the beginning of the video, these are probably coins that have been sent to him because people know that people check Justin Sun's wallet, so they want to send him coins to make their cryptos look good, look like Justin Sun is holding those cryptos in his wallet. But I like this here. You can also see, I'll enter in another wallet so I can show y'all. You can see what cryptos a particular wallet is actually staking, which I think is very neat. So this wallet that I've entered in here is actually Mark Cuban's wallet. Don't ask me how I got this wallet. It was from a little bit of digging on TikTok. But so let's see what I was talking to y'all about this, how you can see the cryptos a wallet is staking. All right. So when you scroll down, you just keep on scrolling. It will show you, okay, here it is. Here it says Aave staking. You can see that this wallet is staking this amount of Aave. Is most likely it's such a small amount of Aave that he probably was just trying it out. But this is his staking reward for staking, and he's staking this amount of Aave that's very small. The value is 13 cents, as you see here. That's why I say it was probably just Mark Cuban trying out, the staking feature on this wallet. It's probably like his tutorial wallet. And a video went out about this wallet on TikTok. It was right around like $2 million, $3 million when this video went out. So he's probably since then transferred a lot of funds off of this wallet. And obviously, if you wanted to see how many funds have been transferred out of this wallet, all you have to do is go to history here. So if you wanted to see NFTs, that's why I also like Zerion, because they have an NFT tab for that. And this is not my wallet. This is Mark Cuban's wallet. So he actually does have NFTs inside of his wallet. I don't know if it's because it's the NFTs that were sent to him or NFTs he bought, but he has some in his wallet. So these are the couple of NFTs inside his wallet. They were most likely sent to him. I don't know if Mark Cuban was buying these NFTs. But then again, people with a lot of money can make some dumb decisions sometimes. Because the money doesn't, they have so much money. So the money doesn't really, some of these NFTs probably don't really mean nothing to them. They just want to be part of the fad, basically, the NFT fad, NFT mania. But yeah, that's that's how to use Zerion now. So to be able to buy cryptocurrency, you do need a crypto to fiat on-ramp, which is an exchange where you can purchase crypto with fiat currency. Gate.io is my favorite exchange to do that. So if you would like to open up a Gate.io account and you don't have one, make sure to use the referral link in my bio. In the description. I don't know why I'm thinking this is Facebook, but yeah, so you can be able to send your crypto off of the Gate.io exchange into your DeFi wallet, Solana, Ethereum, MetaMask, of course, or any other DeFi wallet, and be able to use things in DeFi and, analyze that DeFi wallet on a crypto dashboard like Apeboard.Finance, Zapper.Fi, or Zerion.io. Those are my favorite crypto dashboards. I would have to say Zerion is my most favorite out of all these three that I talked to today. And that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching this video.